I'm the squirrel queen. I'm a squirrel whisperer.
You move.
Bye-bye, squirrel.
Hello, baby.
And he's gonna run away.
Okay.
We got distracted.
Would you like to explain what we're doing?
Burying you, child.
This is gonna take too long.
Whew. Almost
Back
fell.
up a little, Nick.
Back up so you can get closer.
Please don't go in front of my face. Alright.
No, it's just.
No, let him can get out.
No, let them get out. Let them get out.
Jonathan just experienced the birds, I think. Any last words, Johnny?
I hate you all.
Well, that's not very nice. This goes through your channel, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, it does. I love you all.
Yeah.
Oh, this is great.
Yeah, the Snapchat is great.
Good. Hello, how you doing?
Right by you.
None of them are coming in front of my face.
No.
Oh, excuse me!
Any puns, Kayla?
How do you feel now that you didn't accomplish your goals in life?
Oh.
I said puns, but okay. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah.
Excuse you!
Just even see the one behind him. Like, right, almost. If you stop moving, he probably would have come on top of you.
I would love to see him come on top.
Would you like a Dorito?
No.
You have a beard.
You have a beard. Have a Sam beard.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm right on the other side of the
Come here, have a conversation with me. No! No!
That's what-
Right down.
All right, that's too close.
Do you need help? Come on.
Okay, I think he's good.
There's my knees.
So
Okay.
many little footprints, it's so adorable.
Yeah.
Oh, no. You need to lift him up from the
You have to
back.
help me because there are places I don't want to clear
Yeah.
sand from.
DJ.
DJ, you have to lift him up from the shoulders. From the back.
Get up.
Come on.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Hey, you were a good sport, Jonathan.
Guys, make sure you close that hole all the way up.
And just like that, almost there.
Yeah, no evidence, right?
Yeah.
Jeez. There's sand in my belly.
Always the puns.
Now my armpits hurt. Throwing on the sand.
Okay, you don't want it. That's what you want.
That's so